Hello everyone. KP Architecture classes came up with online test series for both the exams, NATA and JEE. These test series, they are prepared specifically for them as per the latest guidelines and the syllabus given by the conducting authorities. Now, in this discussion, I'll tell you about the brief of different types of test series, what all you can have and what you will get in each specific type. So first, let's say you are interested in just one of the exam, either NATA or JEE. So we have NATA or we have JEE. Now for that, there are three types of online test series. So let's write here. Online test series type. And the first category in this is basic. So in the basic type, you will get 3 full mock tests and 3 previous year tests. Three previous year papers. So there are different typologies. First is there are mock tests which are specifically designed and they contain questions from very basic to very advanced. So basically they cover all the different levels of questions you can get in the exam. The type of questions they ask, they lie somewhere in between the questions you will see in these mock tests or also in the sectional test. So in this test series type, we provide you mock test, we provide you previous year papers, and we provide you sectional test as well. The very first one is the basic type in which you will get 3 full mock tests and 3 previous year papers. The second type that we have is standard. Now in standard category, you will get 5 full mock tests and 5 previous year papers. And after that, the next one is premium. So in premium category, you will get 7 full mock tests, you will get 10 previous year papers and full sectional test. I'm writing it as previous year papers. Plus you will get sectional tests. So it's like if you're interested in only one of them, you can get this entire set for just the NATA exam or for just the JEE exam as per the different level about the basic, standard, premium. You can also opt for a combined part in for NATA and JEE, and that is, let's say you opt for NATA and JEE combined. So in NATA and JEE combined, you will get the premium set. And in this premium set, there will be 7 full mock tests. There will be 10 previous year papers. And there will be full sectional tests. Now the benefit of this combined set is it will be available to you as at a discounted price as compared to the individual packages. So this is the introduction, and to access these test series, you need to download our app that goes with the name AP Classes NATA. Now in this app, just install it there. You will get different options in the home part. You get the options. Now there is an option which is store. And there you will get all these options. I can also go there and show you what all content you will see in the store. This first part is 3 full mock tests, just a basic test series which is available to you at a 50% discount of 250. Then you have standard and you have premium. So these 3 set just for the NATA exam. Similarly, basic, standard and premium for the JEE exam. And also we have a premium test series NATA and JEE which is available to you at just 1500, having content for 7 mock tests, 10 previous year papers, sectional test for each NATA and JEE. So for both the exams, you will get this entire content. For any other doubt, anything, just contact us. These are the details. You can contact us on our mobile number, email, or you can just fill up this form and we'll contact you. Thank you. Best wishes.